Hello and welcome everybody to Crypto Rosetta. My name is Savage and today we're going to be having a look at VECHAIN again. This is just a quick update video regarding the moves that we were tracking yesterday. And we did move up to this 1.618 that we're looking for, and we're potentially looking for this as a fourth wave move to the downside. So like we talked about in the previous video, effectively what we could have is the fact that this third wave is actually ending in here, and then this is a fifth wave in here, and what we'd be looking at there is the fact that we have this as a flat and then this is the fifth wave. So in actuality, we could be completed into this high point. If we are completed into this high point, what we'd then be looking for is the potential to move down towards this 1677 to this 1593. That would be a typical B wave retracement. And then basically what we'd be looking to do within that move is to come down in an ABC pattern into this zone and then look to progress to the upside. So if we do move down and we potentially move down here towards this 0.618 area or even this 50%, but we're going to go with this 1.618 area, we could then potentially look to a bigger move to the upside where we look to target out this 1966 at a 1-to-1 move, crossing this 1533 or actually breaking down below this this lower range here, this 1593. Breaking below that range makes it less likely, though it's only really invalidated by crossing back below this 1533. If we cross back below this 1533, then we have one of the, some other structure going on here, and effectively we would have to reevaluate this count. Though for the most part, I am thinking this is what's playing out. So there is also the potential, like we talked about yesterday, that there was a further extension within this, and that actually this wave 3 is up here, and we're still looking for this fourth wave. If this is the case, we wouldn't want to cross below this 1671 zone, and then also we'd actually want to look for support rather slightly higher up. So the area we'd be looking for this support to come in would be the 1730 to the 1699. So that could be a 1700 psychological level there, so we got to keep that in mind. The previous fourth wave though, that would line quite nicely up with this 382. So within this move here, it is potentially you could count it as a 5-wave move with a 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 and a 5. So that could be completed in there, and we could actually be looking to form a B wave to the upside. So if we do that, basically what we'd be looking for is the fact that we could have this as an A wave. We could actually pull back to the upside for that B wave, and then we could look to pull back to the downside for the C wave. It doesn't have to be the case. If we're looking at it as a 5-wave move, then would be looking for that potential. However, this could develop into we might argue that there's 1 2 3 4 5 and then some kind of a diagonal shape in here with a 1 2 3 4 and a 5. It's possible that this could be a zigzag complete here, but it makes it seems to, it looks better as a 5-wave move, to be honest with you. So if this does actually turn around though here, what we'd be looking for is this B wave retracement. So this B wave retracement to the upside could look to take us up here somewhere between this zone of 618, this 618, this 1798, sorry, the 1786, which would be a 50%, which would be testing these highs all the way sort of up to this 1813 zone. So it is possible that we could be looking for this B wave to come up into this area. If we look to retest the 618 zone, it all depends which area we retest. If we don't manage to go this high, the C wave will be slightly lower. But if we move up to that 0.618 zone, effectively what we could then be looking for is continuation to the downside, and what we'd be looking for then is potentially a move into that 1706. So that 1706, like we talked about previously, would be quite close to this 1699 zone. So this could be potentially what's going on. We could see this become a more complex correction here. I wouldn't say that it's a triangle. I don't think that fits. I would argue that this was a 5-wave move to complete. So either this third wave is still is here, or is here, or we have it here. So it is possible, like I said, we could still get this fourth wave. So we need to just be mindful of it. If we break these lows and we head much deeper towards this green box area that we talked about, then it's possible that we could be looking at a completed move, and we're looking to progress to the upside from there. However, until we lose this fourth wave low, I would still be looking out for the potential. And even if we do just break it slightly, I'd still be looking out for this potential to move back up here in this fifth wave. If we looked to move down to that 1-to-1 we talked about, effectively what we would be looking for is the potential to have a fifth wave movement here, which could look to push us up here towards this 1918 to this 1866. And alternatively, if this does turn around from this A wave point and look to push to the upside, what we could have is that we could be looking to a slightly lower target, which would be into this range here of this green box, which would be looking to target out this 1857 to this 1894. So we just need to give it a bit of time and see how the waves react. We will keep you updated as we can when we see these moves happening. So if we do break back above here, this would be the area I'm sort of looking to go into. However, if we do retrace up to the 618 or this 50%, retesting some of these zones, we could then look to this potential to have this C wave to the downside. Okay, so I'm going to leave the video there. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and leave us some feedback down in the comments below. In the description, you'll find a link to Discord. Why don't you come and join it? It's free to join. Come into the general chat area. Just mention a member of team. We'll be happy to help you out with anything that you may need. Also in the description below, you'll find an affiliate link to BYBIT. This is a great exchange. It's the one we use when we're doing our trading, whether that is spot trading or leverage trading. Really is a great exchange. Has great tools within it which allows you to set your trade up, see what your liquidation price would be. You can set your take profit, stop loss, everything before the trade's even gone live. So it really is a great exchange in my opinion. Okay, so we're going to leave it there. I hope everyone has a great evening, and we'll see each other in the next video. Take care out there, everybody.